Hello guys, and welcome back to Mathematical Mindset. So right here guys, we have this nice algebra math simplification problem, and we are to find the value of x. So the first thing guys you want to note is that 9 and 27 can be expressed in terms of 3. So that is, we have 3 raised to the power of x plus 9 can be expressed in terms of 3 as 3 raised to the power of 2 or raised to the power of x, plus 27 can be expressed in terms of 3 as 3 raised to the power of 3 or raised to the power of x, and this is equals to what? 39. But one thing you guys simply need to know is that if we have a raised to the power of m or raised to the power of n, this can easily be interchanged as a raised to the power of n or raised to the power of m. So applying this, we have this to be 3 raised to the power of x plus 3 raised to the power of x or raised to the power of 2 plus 3 raised to the power of x or raised to the power of 3 is equals to what? 39. Alright, so at this point we want to say let m be equals to 3 raised to the power of x. So hence we have that m plus m square plus m cube is equals to what? 39. Alright, but we can easily express 39 to be 27 plus 9 plus what? 3. So we have m plus m square plus m cube is equals to what? 27 plus 9 plus what? 3. So the next thing we want to do is to simply rearrange and set the equation to 0. So we have this to be m plus m square plus m cube minus 27 minus 9 minus 3, and this is equals to what? 0. So let's simply rearrange this. So we have this to be m minus 3 plus we have m square minus 9 plus we have m cube minus 27, and this is equals to what? 0. So from here we have this to be m minus 3 plus m square minus 9 can be expressed in terms of 3 as 3 raised to the power of 2 plus m cube minus 27 can be expressed in terms of 3 as 3 raised to the power of 3, and this is equals to 0. So at this point we want to simply apply this property that says if we have a square minus b square, this is equals to a plus b multiply a minus b, and if we have a raised to the power of 3 minus b raised to the power of 3, this is equal to a minus b multiply a square plus ab plus what? B square. And from here we know that a is equals to m and b is equals to what? 3. So hence we have this to be m minus 3 plus, so in place of m square minus 3 square we want to apply the difference of the square formula. So we have this to be m plus 3 multiply m minus 3 plus, so for m raised to the power of 3 minus 3 raised to the power of 3, we have this to be m minus 3 multiply m square plus m multiply 3 plus 3 square, and this is equals to what? 0. So we have m minus 3 plus we have m plus 3 multiply m minus 3 plus m minus 3 multiply m square plus m multiply 3 is 3m plus 3 square is 9, and this is equals to what? 0. So from here we have a common term which is m minus 3, m minus 3 and m minus 3. So what we have to do is to simply factor out m minus 3. So if you factor out m minus 3, so for the first part we have this to be 1 plus, if you factor out m minus 3 from here, we have m plus 3 to be left, plus if you factor out m minus 3, we have m square plus 3m plus 9, and this is equals to what? 0. So from here we have this to be m minus 3 multiply, so starting from m square plus collecting like terms, m plus 3m is going to give us 4m plus 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 9 is going to give us what? 13, and this is equals to what? 0. So from here we have m minus 3 is equals to 0, and m square plus 4m plus 13 is equals to 0. So we have m is equals to 0 plus 3 and m is equals to what? 3. So we have this to be the first value of m. So for this quadratic equation we want to apply the quadratic formula, and if we have ax square plus bx plus c, and this is equals to 0, this implies that x is equals to minus b plus minus the square root of what? B square minus 4ac divide what? 2a. So hence we have that a is equals to 1, b is equals to 4, and c is equals to what? 13. So applying this, we have that m is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of b square, which is what? 4 square, minus 4 multiply a, which is what? multiply c, which is 13, divide 2 multiply a, which is 1. So we have that m is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 4 square is 16 minus 4 multiply 1 multiply 13 is going to give us what? 52. Divide 2 multiply 1 is what? 2. So we have that m is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 16 minus 52 is going to give us minus 36. Divide what? 2. So m is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of what? 36 multiply negative 1 divide 2. So we have m is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 36 multiply the square root of negative 1 divide what? 2. So we have that m is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 36 is 6, but the square root of negative 1 is equals to what? I. So we have it to be 6i divide what? 2. So from here we have that m is equals to, if you factor out 2, we have minus 2 plus minus 3i divide what? 2. So this we cancel out this, so we have that m is equals to minus 2 plus minus 3i. Alright, so hence we have been able to find the second and third values of what? M. So right here we want to simply write out all the values of m. So we have the first value of m to be equals to 3. So from here we're going to say hence we have that m is equals to 3 and m is equals to minus 2 plus minus what? 3i. So guys, we want to simply recall what m represents. So at the beginning part we said that let m be equals to 3 raised to the power of what? X. Okay, we recall that right here. So from here we're going to say recall that m is equals to what? 3 raised to the power of what? X. Okay, so we're now going to say for m equals to 3, we have that 3 raised to the power of x is equals to what? 3, and this is raised to the power of 1. So since the bases are the same, all we have to do is to equate the exponent. So therefore we have that x is equals to what? 1. Alright, so we're going to say for m equals to minus 2 plus minus 3i. Alright, we have this to be 3x is equals to minus 2 plus minus what? 3i. Alright, so the next thing we want to do is to simply take the logarithm of what? Both sides. So taking the log of both sides, we have that log 3 raised to the power of x is equals to log minus 2 plus minus what? 3i. But we know that if we have log a raised to the power of b, this is equals to b log what? A. So we have x log 3 is equals to what? Log into negative 2 plus minus what? 3i. Alright, so you divide both sides by log 3 to isolate what? X. So divide both sides by log 3. This we cancel out this, so we have that x is equals to log into negative 2 plus minus 3i divide what? Log what? 3. Alright, but from the logarithmic property, if we have log a divide what? Log b, this is equals to log a base b. So hence we have that x is equals to log minus 2 plus minus 3i base what? 3, and this becomes the other values of what? X right here. So guys, this is how you can solve this nice algebra math simplification problem right here, and we have been able to find the values of x. So with this guys, I'm going to see you in the next video, and guys, do not forget to subscribe to Mathematical Mindsets.